Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about YouTube channel outros, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a YouTube channel outro in Canva for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a YouTube channel outro anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. And by putting an outro in your YouTube channel video, it can help boost subscribers and also help with your branding. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process and it's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account and this is the home screen. Now, with this particular account, I have the free Canva account. So if you want to create a YouTube channel outro, there are free options. So first, what you want to do is here on the top, click on the search bar and type in YouTube channel outro. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Canva templates. And here on the right, click on see all. Okay, guys, so here's all of the outro templates that you can use on your YouTube channel. You can see there's quite a few of them. Some of them are paid. So if you see a crown down here on the bottom, like this one right here, or if you see a dollar sign, those do have a cost associated with it. So what you can do is you can click on all filters right here. And then on this menu here on the left, scroll to the bottom and click on free and then click on apply. So now it's going to show all of the YouTube channel outros that are free to use in Canva. So just scroll through until you see one that kind of matches your brand. So let's see here. This one looks pretty cool right here. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Okay. So once you click on a YouTube video outro template, the cool thing about Canva is they're going to show you other ones that are kind of related. So you might be able to find a better one down here. But for me, this one looked good. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, now it brings you into the Canva design editor. So the first thing that I'll do if I'm creating a YouTube channel outro is right here. I'm going to go ahead and rename it. So YouTube channel outro. Okay. And also for the outro, I used to make them really long, but then people get kind of annoyed about it. So usually I'm going to make mine, maybe 5 seconds. Okay. So now we're ready to go ahead and edit this. So it's just like setting up a Facebook page. You can go ahead and easily edit a lot of these different features. So all you're going to do is just hover over it. And then when you see that purple box around it, that means that we're ready to go ahead and edit. So maybe we don't want it to say subscribe. So we'll just go ahead and double click in there and maybe we'll put thanks for watching. Okay, so that's actually a little too big for the outline. So what we can do is up here, we can go ahead and decrease the size of the lettering until it fits within. So that looks good. Also, if you hover over the section and have that purple around it, you can move them around. So right here, we can move it out of the box, or if we want, we can go ahead and pop it inside the box. And also if you're hovering over it, you can rotate it. So you click on this button and you can kind of rotate it. So if you like that, gives it kind of a funky little look. And down here, we can go ahead and maybe type in subscribe. And then to continue on the branding, maybe we want to go ahead and add a picture down here. So here on the left, I don't really just grab a picture. You can click right here and upload and then just drag a picture that you already have and just drop it right in. And you can see it's going to drop right there. But it looks kind of weird because the formatting is kind of weird. It's just like this square. So you can put it down here on the bottom, but still it doesn't really look that nice. So I'll go ahead and delete that. Usually what I'm going to do to set up my picture in my YouTube channel outro is I'll click over here and click on element. So here you can go ahead and have all kinds of different elements, but to add a picture, usually what I'm going to do is go ahead and scroll down to frame and then just scroll through until you see a frame that you like. So this is going to be the shape of your picture. So this one looks pretty modern right here. We'll just drag that one right on over and it drops right in and you can see it's kind of big. So we'll just grab this little white dot and shrink it down. All right. Now we can go ahead and change this into our picture. So here on the left, click on upload. Okay. And then look for your profile picture. If you don't have one, you can upload right here from your computer. And then once it's uploaded, it's going to store here in your Canva storage. And then all you're going to do is just grab the picture and drag it right into that box. And you can see it automatically sizes it inside of there. And we'll click out of it. So now we have our image inside of our YouTube channel outro. And you can just keep playing around with it. There's a lot of different elements that you can add into the YouTube channel outro. So for example, there's a lot of stickers and graphics. So maybe we can go ahead and grab this graphic and drag it right over here to my picture to kind of give it that nice, maybe modern look, or maybe we want to go ahead and bring it down here. Okay, that looks good. Maybe we want to have a cocktail here from the stickers. So you can just drag it right on over here and I'll put a cocktail over by me and I'm going to shrink that down by grabbing those white dots. Okay, now we can move it around. So maybe we have a little cocktail floating above me or to the next to me. All right. So I think we're about done. So let me move myself out of the way. Okay. So once you have your YouTube outro for your videos and it looks acceptable to your branding, you can go ahead and click on share up here on the top right. All right. Once you do that, you want to click on download. Okay. Once you click on download, you want to click on file type. So by default, it's an MP4. So you can go ahead and download it as an image if you want, or obviously you want to keep it as a video if you're going to use it for your YouTube channel video outro. So we'll click MP4 and then you just download. All right, now it's downloading right now. Okay, now it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. All right, so here is my YouTube channel video outro. So you can see it's 5 seconds as we had adjusted, and then we'll click on play and there it's going to start playing. So it's playing all of these different graphics and that looks pretty cool. So now we can just save it into our YouTube channel folder. And that way, whenever we edit a video, we can just slap this on at the end as the YouTube channel outro. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a YouTube channel or YouTube video outro, that's the easiest way I know how to do it for free in Canva. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.